This is Daniel, Sky Access. How may I help?
Daniel, it's Mike. We got the jet tomorrow from Miami to Teterboro. Just wanted to let you know we're going to be 11 passengers instead of 8. Is that okay?
That aircraft could actually hold up to 8 passengers. That's not going to be doable.
But we don't have any bags. We can just squeeze or sit on each other's laps, right? The weight shouldn't be an issue.
Every passenger should have its own seat.
So what do we do?
We do have a larger aircraft actually available. It's operated by the same operator, so we will be able to upgrade you. There's going to be a fee. So what you paid was $30,000, and we have a Challenger 300 at 36. So it's a 6K difference, but it's a much nicer aircraft.
Okay, and then can you make sure the catering gets adjusted for the additional passengers?
Absolutely, we'll do. I'll send you the payment link now, and we are all set.
Great, let's log it in. Thank you.